Today we are going to discuss some basic maths. See, 376 in Roman numbers. The step is break it into simple parts, that is expanded. So 376 can be written as 300 plus 70 plus 6. So 300 is written as C, C and C because C stands for 100. 70 can be written as L for 50 and X, X, X for 10. So 50 plus 10 plus 10, and 6 is written as V, that is 5, and then I to the right of it, that is 6. So we will write all this together as the answer, that is triple C L double X V I. Triple C L double X V I. So this is done. 10 million is equal to dash lakh. First, write down 10 million in figures. So 10 million is written as 0, 0, 0, again 0, 0, 0. Once you have written it this way, now erase this and simply write down the units in Indian style because lakh is given here. So we are going to write it this way: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Basically, till the time we reach the number, we are going to continue. So we are left with 100. So answer will be 100. Next, 3246 to the nearest 10,000. See, the number given to us is this, right? The units. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. We are asked to round the number to the 10,000 and 10,000's place is not given. Whatever is there in the 10,000's place, whenever we want to find the estimate or the round of figure, we always look for the number just before that, that is 3. This is less than 5. Which means whatever will be there in the 10,000s place, here in this case there is nothing will be added to it. In that case, because we have got 3, 2, 4, 6, all these will turn to zeros. So my answer will be 0. Because in short, what I mean to say is, if I am trying to find out the number closest, the nearest 10,000s place, and we have got 3,246, then as per my number line, 3,246. So basically we are trying to find out whether it is between 0 or is it there close to 10,000, because we are trying to find out nearest to the 10,000s. So 3246 is somewhere close to 0, not close to 10,000, because more or less we can, if we mark the numbers more or less in the center of the number line, it will be 500. So since the number that we have got 5,000, since the number that we have got is 3246, which is less than 5,000, so it is way less than 10,000. It is rather closer to 0. So my answer will be 0. So therefore, after all this, we are going to write the answer as 0. Next, we have to convert this into Hindu Arabic number. Simple. Spot the number with the highest value, which will be D, which is 500. To the left of it, we have got C. C means 100, but it is left of it, so 500 minus 100. So CD is written as 400. LX. L is 50, X is 10, 60, again X is 10, 70. IX. X is 10, to the left of it we have got I, which means it is 10 minus 1, 9. So it is 479. This is how we are going to write it. Next, we are asked to solve this sum. Again, we are going to follow the Bodmer's rule, which says that first we need to add and then subtract. There is nothing written, which means this is actually a positive number. So we are going to first add up the positive numbers, that is this number and this number. Whatever we get by adding this number, from that sum, we are going to subtract this. So let's begin. The first step, we are going to add this number and this number. So I'm writing it here so that I can add the numbers. So let's add these two numbers. 7 plus 4 is 11. 6 plus 1 7 plus 7 14. 9 plus 1 10 plus 6 16. 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So we've got this number. Now we are going to subtract this number from this. So let's do it. Subtract this number. See, 1 is less than 6, so make it 3. This becomes 11. 11 minus 6 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5. Not possible to subtract 6 from 3, so 6 becomes 5 and this becomes 13. So 13 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 7. 5 minus 4 is 1. Again, not possible to subtract 9 from 7, so carry, make it 17. So 17 minus 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That is 8. Again, 2 minus 2 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. So our answer will be 1508175. Moving on to the next question. See, first we are going to convert this into the equivalent Hindu-Arabic number. So we have got C, which is 100. Again, XL. L is for 50, and to the left of it we have got X, which is 10. So with XL together is called 40 plus 1. So the number becomes 141. Over here, D, see, the greatest number is D, that is 500. To the right of it we have got C, that is 100. Again C, that is 200. So DCC together we can write it as 500 plus 200, that is 700. And L stands for 50 and I is for 1 and 1. So 52. So this is written as 52. So together it is written as 752 minus, again see, we have got CC, that is 200. Again, L stands for 50. To the right of it, we have got X, which is 10. So 50 plus 10 is 60. So 200 plus 60. And IV means 4. Because this is 5. To the left of it, we have got 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So this becomes 264. Now again, we're going to follow a BODMAS. First add and then subtract. So let's add these two numbers first. 141 and 752. So 141, 752. We're going to add 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 5, 9, 7 plus 1, 8. 893. From here, we are going to subtract 264. So 264. Subtract 9 becomes 8. This becomes 13. 13 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 9. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So we have got 629. Now break it up. 629 can be written as 600 plus 20 plus 9. So 600 is written as D for 500 and C 600. 20 is written as XX and 9 is written as IX. So all together it is written as DCXXIX. D, so the answer will be DCXXIX. Moving on to the problem sum. It says that there is a city A. The population of male is 137469, more than the population of female, and the population of children is these many numbers less than the number of female population. Now if the male population is this, then we have to find the total population. So first, total population consists of three things. One is the male, next is the female, and then the children. So number of male population is already given. This is this number 3264731, and it is said that the female population, the male population is this many numbers more than the female population. So we are going to add this number to the number of males. So let's do it. So we are going to add this. I'm going to write it this number plus the existing number that we have, that is the number we had already written. So we're going to add these two numbers in order to find out the number of female population. Because in the question it is already stated that the male population is more than the female population. Therefore, because the male population is given to us, we have to find the female population. We have to subtract the number because we know that the female is less than the number of males. So let's subtract. This is not possible. So 3 becomes 2. This is 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Again 7 becomes 6. This becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Again 6 becomes 5. This becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 3. So we have got the number of female population. This is 3, 1, 2, 7, 262. Now we have to find the number of children, and it is already stated that the number of children is less than the number of female, and we have now found out the number of female. So with the from the number of female we have to subtract the number of children which are less in number. So once we do it, so the number is 3. We're going to write it in backward order. So first 4, then 5, then 9, then 2, then 6, then 3. Subtract the numbers. Find out the number of children. So 6 becomes 5, this becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. Again 7 becomes 6, this becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 10, 11, 12, that is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 6 is not possible. We will make it 0. We'll make it 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Again 3 becomes 2. This becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. And finally 2. So this is the number of children. 2764308. 2764308. Now what we are going to do is simply add these two numbers. So let's do it. Add all these three numbers to find out the total population. That is 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 11. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 3 13. 3 1. 3 4 plus 1 5 plus 7 plus 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 7 is 16. 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 2 9 plus 6 15. Carry. Again 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 7 11. 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. So the total population of the city will be total population will be this. That is 91,56,301. Let's move to the next question. See, insert commas appropriately in Indian and international system. So first is we are going to write the numbers in Indian as well as international system. So Indian system first, and then we are going to write it also in international system. The same number. Now we are going to put commas. In Indian system, we are going to start off from the right and move towards the left. First, leave 3 numbers gap and henceforth 2. Then this is ones, tens, hundred, this is in thousands place, this is lakh, and this is crore. So this is written as 45 crore, 10,06,000, 6,000, 329, 329. Similarly, for international system, we are going to again start from right and move towards the left, but leaving 3 digits gap. So first 3 digit, again 3 digit. Now units will be ones, tens, hundred. This is thousand, and this will be million. So this becomes 451 million. So 451 million. Then 6,329. So 6,329. Now, moving forward to the last question, that is fill in the blank. This is very interesting. See, 8 minus what number will be 1? So 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. Again, what is the number here from which if we subtract 9 we get 17? So definitely this number, first we have to add these two numbers. So 9 plus 7 is 16. So this number must be 6. That is 16, where 3, 1 is taken from the 3. So this is 16. 16 minus 9 would be 7. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now 2 minus 1 will be 1. Again, something minus 2 is 2. So it must be 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. So this is all.